Original sound voice amplifier S617. Original sound voice amplifier S617. Original sound voice amplifier S617. Yeah, that's how it sounds. Yeah, that's how it sounds.
What's up guys, this is Unknown from Tech, and in this video we are unboxing Shidu Sound Voice Amplifier S617. This is the box. Now let's open this. First we have the amplifier. Let's take all of them out. We also get a user manual. Now we get all of this in the box. These are extra mic covers. Next we have Type A to Type C cable. There is a lanyard or strap for hanging the amplifier. I'll show you how to hook this on later. Next we have the headset with mic. This is the amplifier. Now let's have physical overview. The amplifier is plain with minimal design, looks nice and compact. On the front you can see the speaker and the branding on top. On the bottom it has elevation so it can stand on the surface, and on the right side there is Type C port. It says DC 5 volts. On the left it is plain. On the top there is volume wheel which also functions as on and off switch, followed by mute button, LED indicator, aux port and mic port or mic jack. On the back there is a belt clip. You can put this on your pant. There are also loops or strap hooks. This is where you can hook that lanyard or strap that it comes with, and you can hang this around your neck. There's also some information. Now this is how you attach the strap. Now it's time for testing the amplifier.
Hello, hello, mic check, mic check. Hello, 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 mic check, mic check. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, mic check, mic check. This is Shidu Original Sound Voice Amplifier S617.
Next we will test the difference between camera audio and amplifier. Before that, this is how you can wear the mic on your head and just plug it into the amplifier.
Hello, hello, mic check, mic check. Audio test, audio test. Audio you hear right now is directly from the camera itself, without any mic or equipment connected. Now you can see the volume difference when compared with the amplifier. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Like, share, subscribe, 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 like, share, subscribe. Comment. Also comment something. I don't know what. It's getting feedback because the mic is too close to the amplifier. If you keep it away or backside of it, it shouldn't be a problem. I can hear the difference. The volume levels are definitely different and louder with the amplifier. Okay. This will be very helpful when you are in a large classroom or in a guided tour, wherever you want your volume to reach farther than your real life voice.
So that's been the comparison between audio directly recorded on camera and the audio using the amplifier. I hope you heard the difference. You can also use this as a Bluetooth speaker. Just turn this Shidu S617 amplifier on and then search on your phone for S617A. Tap on it and it's paired. Now you can use this as a Bluetooth speaker. Here's a sample.
Now this is definitely way better, at least in terms of practicality, at least when compared to Apple Vision. Now these are just pair of glasses. Along with that you also get where you can just attach to your wrist, and it can trace your pinch gesture and other gestures.
It sounds great even as Bluetooth speaker. This is a pretty cool device. If you're looking for a voice amplifier, not only it does the job well, but it also works as a Bluetooth speaker. It will be great for a classroom, but you can also use it outside. The Shidu Original Sound Amplifier S617 is priced at 1,190 rupees. You can buy it on Origin Shop website, or you can also buy it on Amazon. Now that's it for this video. What do you think about this? Have you used an amplifier before? And do you like this one? Let us know in the comments below. This is Unknown from Tech. Meet you in the next one.
Subscribe, 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 like, share, 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 like, share, subscribe, like, share, subscribe.